Yeah, river boats. Crocodile house. Coming baby crocodile to hand. Baby crocodile coming. Take your hand. Yes.
Hello? Look at it, baby.
Yes, open your mouth. Crocodile have no trunks, only teeth, like English people. Yes, come on. So nice, Gracie.
It's okay.
Baby crocodile now no hungry. They already eat. They have big, nice mouth, no trunks.
No.
You see, nice skin.
No teeth either.
Yes, they are going like a 2-3 meter.
Really? Wow.
Yes. Okay. And next turn. Lucas. Yes.
Oh. Hello.
Your shoulder. Yes. And you're a good partner. Come on.
You're so cute.
Nice mouth. Thank you. Oh, again open mouth. Yes. Ari, Namaskar.
Hello.
Yes. For your head. Yes, come, you welcome. Crocodile for the head.
Kaya na lang yun.